What are you doing? This bitch is heavy.
Roll them counterclockwise. We need to roll twice.
You gonna pull him up? Or
Yeah.
Oh, he's moving still.
He just moved.
Look at that hole in his head. That bitch ain't eating nobody anymore. We take about 7 foot.
Oh, he's bleeding everywhere.
Yeah, he's
Look at that legit harpoon job, alright?
No, that was good. Right in the
Still
meat.
need to-
Good job.
Still pull, can you pull it?
Fuck the whole gig up. Alright, wait. Rub its stomach and fall asleep, right?
He does what Gracie does.
Yeah, just fuck that gator. Oh. He's still moving.
Why don't we have his head up here?
Okay, he's definitely alive.
You think?
No.
Watch his foot.
Dude, it's nerves afterwards.
As long as his tail doesn't
I'd
freak
be
out.
nervous
we'll be
too.
alright.
It just wipes all three of us right out.
I don't know, he's got some pretty stiff movement going on here, guys.
M. Jones is the one left in the boat. Just all it does. Oh, hang on, hang on.
Let me,
Yeah, he's moving around pretty good.
he's got a hole in his head, so it's pretty serious.
He's just like walking right now.
We have him like in the worst position he could be in.
Be careful.
There goes Brad fucking.
I would help you, but I'd be afraid for the motor if I climb over there.
Once you can, they don't have any force to open up.
Just closing.
Just closing.
How about that just went down without a hitch, really?